Hi mga palangga, thank you so much for watching this video. It's me again, JP. If this is your first time watching our video, here in our channel, we're giving contents for self-improvement, life tips and tricks, and helpful reviews. And today's video nga mga palangga, I just want to share with you my first credit card and the reason why I decided to have a credit card and how I got this BPI AMORE CASHBACK credit card. And without further ado, let's jump into our video. Last month of January, I uploaded and shared contents about minimalism, decluttering, and also our Baguio travel vlogs. And for this month of February, I'm planning to share contents all about finances naman or related to finance. Considering na I'm an accounting graduate, and I just would like to share as well all of my ideas when it comes for handling my finances. So in this video mga palangga, I will be sharing with you why I decided to get my first credit card and how I got this BPI AMORE Cashback credit card. Before mga palangga, kapag narinig ko talaga yung word na credit card, I feel uncomfortable kasi madami akong mga nababasang books. Mahilig kasi ako magbasa ng mga books before yon about finance, and ang common reason na nakikita ko kung bakit nababaon sa utang ang karamihan is because of credit card. At dahil nga dun mga palangga, natakot ako magkaroon ng credit card kasi nga dahil ayoko rin magkaroon ng utang. I feel bad to myself kapag meron akong utang sa iba. Madami na rin nag-aalok sa akin ng credit card since before na nag-start pa ako na magkaroon ng work with my first job. Madami na nag-aalok ng mga credit cards. Pero tinanggihan ko yung lahat dahil nga dun sa mindset ko na ang tingin ko lang sa credit card is talagang utang talaga siya. So, dahil ayoko magkaroon ng utang, lahat yung tinanggihan ko. And then, started last year, naging conscious ako sa mga savings ko, sa mga interest na nakukuha ko sa savings, sa mga cashback na mga ino-offer ng mga financial institutions to help my finances. And one of the bangka mga palangga that I've been using since I started my first job is BPI. At itong BPI na ito mga palangga, they keep on offering me credit cards since before pa. Pero lahat yung tinanggihan ko. I receive a lot of emails from them about credit card promotion. Hindi lang email, pati tawag. One of the branch of the BPI always calling me, offering me credit card. Pero nakailang tanggi na ako, but they still calling me after a month, ganun. And dahil dun mga palangga, naging conscious na rin ako, but may mga taong interesado pa rin kumuha ng credit card even though we know that credit card is utang. So naging conscious ako at nag-research ako about why other people still chose to have a credit card. So dahil nga dun mga palangga, dahil I've been conscious how other people accepted to have a credit card or chose to have a credit card, I watched a lot of videos from different content creators discussing about credit card, about the advantage, what they were getting about credit card, yung mga credit card 101, yung mga credit cards for beginner, ang dami ko napanood ng mga video, and I was amazed mga palangga seeing how they're actually taking advantage of using credit card. At dahil dun mga palangga, nagbago yung pananaw ko, although hindi pa rin nagbago yung fact na credit card is utang, pero nagbago yung pananaw ko about how credit card will affect you. Kasi nga, nakadepende pa rin talaga siya sa kung paano mo siya gamitin. It's either you will take advantage your credit card or the credit card will take advantage of you. So, doon ko nalaman na madami palang mga advantage ang credit card, and some of them nga is about building your credit score with the bank. So, kapag maglo-loan ka, diba, they can see that you are a good payer and there's a high chance na papautahin ka nila, especially will be needing in the future. And also yung mga rewards, mga points, yung mga credit cards pa is nag-offer ng mga points, mga discounts, which you can take advantage with. Magkakaroon ka pa ng discounts. Next to it is yung mga secured payment. Most of them, they are using credit cards for online payments. And the best thing for this is a backup payment. So, in case na yun, magkulang tayo for this month, next, or magkaroon man ng delay ng sahod natin, we still have a backup payments that we can use in the meantime. Heto na nga. So, dahil nga itong BPI still offering me credit cards, I keep receiving multiple emails from them. So, dahil nalaman ko din na madami palang advantage sa credit card and nakadepende on how you will use it, kung ano yung magiging epekto niya sa'yo. And I know naman to myself na marunong ako mag-manage with my finances. So, I decided to get the offer na lang din. At napakadali lang naman talaga kasi ng instruction about getting the credit card. Wala silang hiningi mga documents sa akin. And it's just only accepting the card from the notification doon sa BPI app ko. Kasi may lumalabas na notification doon. And then, doon ko lang siya pre-process, in-accept ko lang yung credit card offer, tapos namili lang ako ng card type na gusto ko. By the way, sa mga card type pala, doon ko lang nalaman na madami pala mga types ng card, hindi lang pala siya basta-basta lang credit card, Madami pala siya mga type ng card, depende sa kung paano mo siya gagamitin. At yung mga types ng card na yun, doon din magbe-base yung mga rewards, mga points na makukuha mo. So, regarding sa type ng card, nakuha ko nga itong cashback card kasi nga mostly gagamitin ko yung lahat naman ng mga budget kasi napupunta sa mga essentials. So, since gagamitin ko yung card or yung payment ko for essentials, I just choose this BPI cashback card. And by the way mga palangga, hindi po ito sponsored video. I'm not promoting BPI, but maybe this is one option for you para makapag-start ka din with your own credit card, your first own credit card. So, I chose this BPI AMORE CASHBACK credit card. So, with this one mga palangga, dahil good siya for mga essentials, I will receive about 4% of my spend limit for supermarkets, sa mga groceries, and then around 0. Ano yun? May kodigo ako dito eh. Around 1% naman siya for utilities. May payment kasi mga utilities mo. And 0.3% naman sa mga other purchases. So, natapos ko lang yung process mga palangga for less than 5 minutes. Meron din silang ino-offer mga palangga na e-credit card. Parang extension ng credit card mo. Pero, that card is good for mga online payments. Extension talaga siya. Pero, isa lang naman yung main source niya. Pero hindi ko na yung tinanggap kasi ayoko na madaming card details. Gusto ko isa lang. I'm enough with one. And then, nung makomplete ko na yung mga details na hinihingi nila, like yung mga shipping address, contact information, nung nasubmit ko na siya mga palangga, lumabas na agad yung information ko dun sa BPI app. Ang bilis ng process. So, inisip ko tuloy, pre-approved application. And then, nung na-receive ko yung actual credit card ko mga palangga, nakita ko, January 14 kasi nakahapon ko yung sinubmit. And then, nung na-receive ko tong credit card ko, January 14 din siya in-issue. So, meaning to say, same day pala siya in-issue din ni BPI. So, nakaka-surprise, diba? Parang, ang bilis naman. On the next day mga palangga, they attempted agad to deliver it dun sa address namin. However, wala ako dun that time kasi nga pumunta kami ng Baguio. So, hindi ko na-accept. At hindi sila nag-iiwan ng credit card sa mga bahay-bahay. They just want to make sure na yung card holder talaga yung tatanggap. So, and then the second day, nag-re-attempt ulit na sila ng second attempt. Yung nga lang, di ko ulit sila naabutan kasi nga nakatulog ako. So, walang nagbukas ng pinto sa kanila. And then, on the third attempt, buti na lang yun, sakto, naabutan ko din sila. And I was able to receive my first ever credit card. At regards naman sa credit limit mga palangga, napansin ko, nakadepende siya dun sa average earnings na nakukuha mo every month o na-receive ng BPI account mo o na debit account mo from my payroll every month. Nakadepende siya dun. Kaya, ewan ko, di ko sure kung paano nila nakocompute yung credit limit. Di ko na i-share sa inyo yung credit limit. And then, ayun nga mga palangga, tuwan-tuwa talaga ako nung dumating yung credit card. Of course, this is my first ever credit card. I don't know how to use it pa, pero alam mo yun, nandun yung, kapag may bago kasi parang, nag-i-enjoy ako to explore, ganun. Explore, the explorer. So, ito na nga yung plano ko for this credit card. Ito nga gagawin ko mga palangga, kaya nga, the reason why I decided to accept the offer kasi nga may plan din ako to take advantage of it. At ito nga ang plano ko. If you still remember, I uploaded a video about Maya Savings, yung nagkakaroon ng interest every day, 6%. At saka nakadepende siya dun sa daily balance mo. So, ang gagawin ko, I will be using my credit card for payment, pero I have to make sure na meron akong pera bago ko to gamitin kasi ayokong gagamitin mo tapos wala ka na palang pambayad. So, I have to make sure na may nakaseparate na yung payment ko for credit card before I will using the credit card. And then, yung payment na yun, imumove ko siya dun sa Maya Savings ko para nalaki yung interest na makukuha ko with PayMaya. And then, kapag dumating na yung bill ng credit card ko, saka ko siya kukunin at pambayad dun sa credit card. So, nagkaroon na ako ng interest for saving that money with my Maya. Plus, na-take advantage ko pa yung cashback ko with credit card, diba? Win-win. And by the way, mga palangga, if you haven't watched that video, yung Maya Savings review ko, lagay ko siya sa link on the description box, pati na rin sa end screen at the end of this video, para you can watch it and you can also take advantage of using Maya Savings. The best siya, mga palangga, for all of my savings. I'm really good with Maya Savings. So, ayun na nga, ang rule ko for myself for using this credit card is for me to make sure na may naalat ko na o na-separate ko na yung funds for payment of using this credit card before I will use the credit card. So, dapat nakalat na yung payment ko and ayaw kasing, alam mo yung mabaon na ulit mabaon sa utang dahil dito. So, I will be taking advantage of this card and not letting this card to take advantage of me. As of na mga palangga, hindi ko pa sure kung paano nag-work yung cashback nila kasi hindi ko pa na-receive yung first bill ko. Sa February 7 pa yung first bill ko. And I will create another video. I'll share another video soon para ma-review ko kung paano nga ba nag-work itong cashback offer. Kung paano nga ba nag-work itong cashback offer ni BPI AMORE credit card. So, share ko with my next video. So, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification button para updated kayo every time that I release a new video. Okay, I mentioned earlier about secured payments. Most of mga tao pala na gumagamit ng credit card is they're using it for online payments kasi nga madali lang mag-report ng mga fraud charges, mga unauthorized charges when it comes for credit card. Kasi nga dahil wala pa naman yung bill, and then pag dumating na yung bill, may makikita ka doon charge na hindi mo naman talaga inauthorize. You have the option to report it with your bank para i-dispute nila, para tanggalin yung charge na yun, so that you can pay only the correct amount. O, diba? So, hindi mo pa nababayaran kasi nga, you're still reviewing those charges before paying it. So, that's the good thing with credit card. Secured yung payments mo, especially pag may mga unauthorized charges. Hindi siya nabawasan agad sa savings account mo, but you have the option to dispute it, reviewing your charges before paying it. Hindi ko naman kayo fino-force kumuha ng credit card din with yourself. So, i-assess nyo din yung sarili nyo if time mo na nga ba para kumuha ng credit card? Do you know how to control your finances? So, if you're good to go na, then go ahead. Go ahead and try to apply for a credit card. Ako naman kasi, napilitan lang kasi nga always getting those kind of notification, those offers. So, nag-go na rin ako. Trinay ko na rin. So, that ends our video for now. Itong camera ko is nagdidim na siya. Kasi kapag nag-aano siya, tawag dito, yung umiinit, nag-overheat, para nagdidim na siya. Anyway, that ends our video for now. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you find that this video is helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and comment na rin kayo for any questions or anything that you would like to share, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and again, it's me, JP. I'll see you all on my next video.